Good morning, dear hearts. New section, new special thought. Please subscribe. New special thought, what is the second coming? Now, this is just one of many biblical terms and terminology that A Course in Miracles uses, but not necessarily with the same connotations and meanings that have been established in organized religions. So from a Course perspective, the second coming, which is as sure as God, is the correction of mistakes and the return of sanity, which is also what forgiveness does. Forgiveness returns us to sanity. And the second coming is very much like the real world, because in the return of sanity, and then the world is now forgiven, this is when the second coming is seen, is experienced. I'm going to do what I've been doing, which is incorporate little parts of this special thought in the next 10 lessons. So that way the videos aren't too long and you still have time to watch them till the end and then get on with the day. So it is the special thought. It's the all-inclusive nature of Christ's second coming that permits it to embrace the world and hold you safe within its gentle advent, which encompasses, as I love, all living things with you. All living things with you. As I've said many times, I love it when the Course uses that terminology, because we have to realize that there is nothing that is not included. A Course in Miracles is an all-inclusive path to remembering who we really are. And the second coming is an event that happens as we experience it in time, but it is an out-of-time experience, and it will ultimately end the need for time. The special thought also says that, this is going to end all of the lessons that we've been offered by the Holy Spirit, because once the second coming, the reawakening, the restoration of sanity, the correction of every ego thought has been accomplished, there is nothing to learn, because we will go into that space of knowing. The last paragraph says, but pray that the second coming will come soon, but do not rest with that. Don't stop with the simple act of praying. The second coming needs your eyes and ears and hands and feet. It needs your voice, but most of all, it needs your willingness. Without our willingness, which is that one little thing that we are asked of by God, by the Holy Spirit, by the Christ, give me your willingness and I will take care of everything else. So in order for this to be accomplished, our own willingness must be in place. And when that happens, then God's will can join with our little will, and this complete restoration, this complete experience of light and going into spaces of non-limiting thoughts will come to bless the world with its light. Now today's lesson is 301. It says, and God himself shall wipe away all tears. The first line, which is in the prayer part, says, Father, unless I judge, I cannot weep. And that is the whole basis of this lesson, that if I don't judge, I cannot experience pain. I will have no loss. I suffer pain, I suffer loss, I experience it. I like that word better than suffer, but the lesson uses the word suffer. I experience the belief in abandonment and not feeling that I have a place in this world because of my judgments, which the special thought also addresses about the last judgment. This world, as it says in the text portion, God's world is happy. The real world is happy. And those who look on it can only add their joy to it and bless it as a cause of further joy in them. When I see happiness, my happiness expands, and I give what I have. And if I don't have it, I cannot give it to you. So, the second coming and the idea of no judgments is where I will find the happiness that I can share with all living things today. I give you, Holy Spirit, I give you, Father, I give you, my elder brother, Jesus, the Christ, my willingness to be one with you, that your desires for all of the sonship, all of your children will be accomplished today. So that's it. I hope this helped. We will go deeper into the special thought and with the lessons. I hope this helped. Please subscribe. Please like. Please share. Please comment. And please be here tomorrow. Namaste.